old pal Stavi here. I'm in my Van Ackerson experimental map inside of Am I Evil, and I decided to do a tutorial on physical relief. What is physical relief, you say? Well, here I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to draw a big sector here. We'll make it this 1792 by 1792 by 1792. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put, we'll do an outdoor surface. Let's do grass, okay? Grass is pretty, right? And then we'll do a sky. Oops, I don't need to do that. I can just type it in. Alright. Okay, so now we have a sky, and we're going to raise it up a little higher. We're going to raise it up to 500. Oh, 504, that's fine. Whatever. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to 1 megapixel, or map pixel, map unit, whatever the hell you want to call it. And what we do is we start to draw. You know, it's going to be physical relief, so, you know, you can do anything you want. You know, this is just an example. We'll just do some physical relief. Okay, so there we go. That's our start. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go we're going to go 64 out. Okay. So you're pretty much going to draw a messed up looking spider web, you know. This is how you got to do this, okay? I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. And it's simple. You'll see what I'm about to do here. Make them all 64. That's good. It don't have to be perfect, you know. And I'll show you why in a minute. As soon as we get all these in. And this is really cool, I mean, what I'm going to show you. And this has to be also, I forgot to mention, UDMF format, okay? You can't build this in boom format. You can't do this in regular doom format. It has to be UDMF. Which to me stands for the ultimate doom master format. Tell you the truth, that's probably not accurate, but that's just what I like to call it. Ultimate doom. Because you can build the ultimate doom maps with UDMF. You're just drawing, I mean. And you can make it any fucking thing you want, you know. And study physical relief maps, you know. I mean, you were in school, at least I hope you were, you know. We only got a couple more to do. That's all you're going to do is just project, you know. You're just projecting outward your first image that you draw. It doesn't matter what shape it is. Damn it, where's 64? There it is. Okay. Okay, now we'll connect the damn dots, okay? And whenever I'm doing this, I always make sure the vector, see how the vector's pointed inward. You know, you want it pointed inward, not outward like that. Okay, and I'll explain why in a minute. Okay. Oops, damn it. That's alright, I'll fix it. No big deal. No need to stop just because of one little mistake, right? That can be quickly altered. Okay, let's go to vertice and drag it back Okay, see now what we have here is is our shape. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to highlight all these. Okay, okay, highlight. Okay, and then we're going to zoom out a little bit, and then you're going to raise it 64 because we drew the line 64. Okay, and then we're going to unselect these. Okay. Okay, now these lines here, you're going to select them. I'm using GZ Doom Builder, but you can use regular Doom Builder too. Will also work. It also has a plane alignment when you are building in UDMF format. And I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really cool. Okay, we got them all selected. We're gonna select them and go to properties. Right here under properties, you're going to go to plane, align slope. Okay, and then align floor, you're going to put front. Okay. Okay, now see what we got. See, now it's like a hill. See? Okay. And then I'm going to show you. I mean, it looks fucked up right now because you're seeing this shit here. Oh, that looks fucked up. But hold on a second. We'll go to, actually, we'll cancel that highlight. We'll grab our player start down here and we'll start it up and I'll show you. Okay. And then we'll add on to it. We'll make the hill bigger and bigger as we go. Yeah, see, there you go. You got a hill, and you can go up on top of it. See? Okay, 64. You know, it's simple. And wait, hold on. And see, this is why I did it 64, so your texture doesn't change. Because if you do it too big, you got to do it the size of the texture. Like if it was a 128 texture, I could have made the line 128 long and went up 128 map pixels high. You understand? It has to be, or else it just smears it. It looks like hell. I mean, it does not look good at all. Okay, so we'll quit. Okay, and now we're only 7 minutes into this, so I'm going to draw again. And once again, you're just projecting outward, you know. And you don't even have to be at the same angle, you know. It could be kitty wampus. I mean, the Earth never. There's nothing symmetrical about the Earth, you know. Everything is asymmetrical for a reason, you know. So sorry, Mr. Perfectionist, you know. Sorry for your luck. You're just gonna have to just not look at it if it don't hurt you. I mean, if it's bothering you, don't look at it. I mean, that's just how it is, you know. And you're just gonna keep doing this, and you make the mountain bigger and big, you know, and it's really cool. Physical relief. You can make valleys. I mean, it gives you more depth to your, you know. And I'm going to start using this more often. I'm using it right now in stage 5 of Am I Evil Chapter 3. So, yeah, this is going to be sweet, man. I mean, if you look at any physical relief map, you can almost mimic one if you have one laying around, like the old drawings where they drew it out and wrote down, you know, the the graduations, you know, the heights, you know, and the layers. You know, like a geologist map, you know. Look for that stuff online, you know. You can study maps for physical relief and mimic it, you know. It's not hard. I mean, as a doom builder, you know, you got to be a you know, you got to be like the George Costanza architect, and you know, I'm George Costanza. I always wanted to be an architect, you know. You got to be an architect, you got to be an engineer. You got to try to think like God. I mean, it's hard, you know, to make something, you know, that that people actually enjoy. It's because just when you think you got it, somebody proves you wrong. It's like but that's life. That's just how we learn. But yeah, Stavi's making a frickin' mountain here, or a hill. We'll call it a molehill, actually. Okay, we're all the way around again. So here we go. We're going to do it again. And make sure, once again, make sure the the vectors are pointed in. And your vector is this little line in between that splits the difference of each line. Vectors are important. I mean, they are very important in and this is just like AutoCAD. This ain't no different, but it's just you're building a video game instead of drawing somebody's house or business or parts. They engineering parts for machines, automotives. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do it again. Oh, Well, we'll do it first, because then it'll do it while we raise it up. It'll look cool. Okay. Yeah, we'll do it like this time, so you can actually see it happen. Okay, see, we got it all ready. So what we got to do is we got to highlight all the planes, or else it'll fuck up. Every plane has to be highlighted, because you're raising it up even higher. It's gonna, instead of being 64 map pixels high, the hill will now be 128. Now this should raise up on me as I start to lift this. Or not, or it'll look fucked up. Yeah, see, there it goes. See, it's raising up. So you gotta make it to 64. There we go. Okay, there it is. That's our hill. 128 map pixels high. Okay, so let's look at it. You want to look at it? Let's look at it. We'll put it in test mode. But yeah, you get the hint now, right? You're getting the idea how to make them, mountains. See, there you go. That one's kind of messed up. It put I know what to do. I know how to get rid of that. I'm going to show you right now. I am going to show you right now. Okay. Go back in visual mode. It's right in there. See, we got to change these. Yep, to grass. It's putting the default start in part 2 in, starting 2 in there, because that's the default texture for Doom. Well, at least Doom 2. I don't know about Ultimate Doom, but in Doom 2, that's your default texture. So we'll get rid of that right now. Okay, they're all highlighted. See, if they would have stayed like that, see, I could do this too, and it'll work. Oop, it's the back side. That's right. See, I can exit it out like that and make it like that, and it'll work. Watch. Now it'll be green instead of starting. It'll be the grass. Number 2. Oh, except for one. I missed one. Huh. I missed one somewhere. But you get the idea. I mean, there's the hill. Alright, that's Stavi out. I figure I'd just share that with you. Here, let's find the one that I missed. I missed one somewhere. Oh, there it is, right there. It was right in front of me. Good. Okay, now it should be fine. Alright. Yeah, there it is. It's fixed now. And you can still climb up it, Yeah, you can make it sand. You can make it anything you want. You can run a river through here and another one like a fucking ravine. You can do it anything you want, man. Make you a fucking mountain. Oh, I can't get up there. It's too steep. Right there, though, I could. Yeah, he's too steep there. Unless you got to get running, huh? That's probably what it is. Oh, that's hilarious, man. Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck. That's great. Alrighty, man. Stavi out. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope it helps you out in your map building. Alright, have a good day.